Welcome. In this video I will show you how to find large files on Windows. First of all, open the File Explorer and go to the destination folder in which you want to start searching, and then in the search field right here, input size and colon, and then you're gonna get a list of all the available file sizes. As you can see, the gigantic ones are over 4 gigabytes, the huge ones are from 1 to 4 gigabytes, and the large ones are from 128 megabytes to 1 gigabyte. So select which one you're interested in, for example large, and this way you will find all the files of this size. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.